Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Tuesday, September 2nd. Very volatile day today in the market. We had oil prices absolutely implode, got as low as $105 a barrel. That's down from the $118 pump that they had Sunday night. Market up 250 on that news, and then just the market just faded. The rally just went nowhere. Big reason for the failure of the market today was tech stocks. Tech stocks were dumped en masse. It was kind of hidden early on, but as the day started to wear on, you could really see the techs were just pulling everything down. And it's really no surprise, as I've been mentioning, we're going to flip to that chart again. The NASDAQ Bullish Percent Index has been telling us to be very careful, and a breakdown is coming and is going to be led by the tech stocks. Right now, we're still in danger zone. Our breakdown trigger will be a break of the 20-day on this chart here. So we're looking at a break of 40 will signal that we are in our seasonal market tank area. Dow daily chart, we've got a bearish engulfing candle. To be honest, this morning it looked like we were dead set on a 12K test so that they could start dumping paper like they always do mid to late September into October. But today's close throws everything up in the air. Granted, we are up pretty substantial from the July bottoms, but would have made more sense for them to start the fall tank up on this area instead of down here. Support is still at 11,400. That'll be our warning signal that whatever hope we have of going higher has ended. Tomorrow we are likely to see financials bounce again. AMBAC and some of the financials were up in after hours. AMBAC was granted access to a new bond market. You know, they launched one of their subsidiaries, so they're going to start a new municipal bond insurance business, so that may help financials. Granted, financials were actually decent today and the market still sold off, so anyone's guess, but given we were up so much today and you know the financial news, dead cat pounds tomorrow would not be surprising. Here we have the oil chart. We ended below the 200-day moving average. Very negative candle here. We'll see if they'll try and bounce it back tomorrow, but odds are they won't or can't. Was on heavy volume as well today. Just a couple of plays to watch. One is UTSI. Stock's down huge over the last month or so. Pretty strong support at 314. Breakout is 340. RSI is in the basement. We've had a positive MACD crossover over the last couple of days. Stochastics are coming out of the basement, and one thing to note here is stock lost about 70% of its value, 50% of its value in the last month, but check out the on-balance volume. It's flatlined. So what that tells you is it's actually kind of bullish, so that's why the stock's on watch for us right now. Other stock we're looking at is MNKD, Mankind. As I mentioned last week, we entered the same area looking for a move to 335. Got it on the nose. Stock gave it all back over the last day. Back to the buy zone again. Stops would be $3 on this one, and target a bounce back to 333 to 335 on this one. Last stock I'm going to mention is Crocs, C-R-O-X. Been flatlining over the last 2 weeks since its big breakout the last time we entered. It did close above its 8-day moving average today, and that has been a trigger for large spikes on this stock in the past. Target would be a move to the 20-day exponential. That is at 464, and stops remain 403 on this one. So we've got a couple of new plays, but we're in that time of the year where we're dancing really close to the door. Still expect a significant sell-off in the major indices, but tomorrow we probably will see a bounce back in the market. Dow 15-minute chart, we held above the 200-day moving average in that time frame. So if we see a move over 550 tomorrow, we could see a chance for a 100+ point bounce on the Dow. And again, all eyes on 11,400 support holding. that is it for the video tonight. Short and sweet, and let's see what scalps come to us tomorrow. See you in the chat room. Good night.